Hey, what is going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. And I know it's a little unusual for me to post more than one video in one day, but today I'm bringing you guys some of the major Lego City sets that are coming out soon. These are the sets that I personally am probably going to purchase, and these are the ones I think are really going to make the most profit for Lego and that are actually like really intriguing and stuff. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Really quick before we end, I want to make sure you guys are entered in that giveaway. Go click that video on your screen. That's going to take you right to the video, which explains how you can enter. Also, if you want to check out the Scarif mock I put out a few weeks ago, definitely make sure you go check out that video. Other than that, guys, that's all we got for today. The next video should be the Scarif review mock that I did. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Other than that, keep on smiling. Catch up with you all later. Till then, be good.